Lamborghini SV is on, baby! What is up, Houston? We are here at the car show and the car culture, and we just have a lot of great, awesome things going on right here. I really enjoy the car shows in Houston. There's a lot of craziness going on, but also there's a Formula One car right about here, just chilling. How did they manage to get a Formula One car in here? That is so crazy. What? Are you kidding me? That is insane. We do have this Subaru, really nice Subaru going on right here. It's a WRX. Looks like something out of a movie, actually. Really nice wheels. Oh my God, the interior is all racing interior. Got the cage as well. Steering wheels right there, not here. This is all the merch that they're selling out. Whew. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is one of the coolest GTRs I have seen so far. And check this, the Lambo Urus. Or Urus. Is it Urus or is it Urus? Check it out. It's beautiful purple color. Massive wheels. What is going on, man? Oh, we got carbon fiber lips over here. Carbon fiber venting on the hood. This car looks super duper sick. Let's check out the back of this thing. I've always had a good soft things for Lambos and Porsches in my heart. Oh wow. Love the exhaust, love the carbon fiber down here. Another carbon fiber lip over here. And then we do have the wing right there. But of course, right next to it is a 911 Turbo S. How cool is this car, man? It's one of the most important things I like about this car is how simple it is. Very nice, very simple. Well, you put that bad boy to drive, she shocked everybody else. My dream cars in one lineup. And then of course we get the McLaren in another purple. You're good, you're good. 765 LT. Check out this bad boy, man. Oh my God, this car is so sick. One of my favorite things about the McLarens is how the doors open up. They don't open straight up, they open sideways up like a bat. Oh my God, this car is so sick, man. You got a lot of venting, carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. 765 LT. Oh my God. That interior is so sick. Alcantara literally everywhere. Check out the details. You got purple stitching matching the exterior color as well. And of course you got the engine right behind you. McLaren is so sick. Literally the whole center console is all carbon fiber. My gosh. A lot of aerodynamics up in here. Down there, let the air come out from here for more downforce. V4 McLaren exhaust is super dope. Wow, the details on this car, man. Check out the massive diffuser underneath here. This is so sick, man. I love it. And of course the wing goes up as well. Like I said, when I said this is my dream car lineup, I am not lying. We have a Murcielago chilling right here as well. In this beautiful white color. This is a classic Lamborghini right here, man. Look at this. They even got the small wings out. What is going on? So the air would come around here, go through there and get out of the other side of the vents. Interior is super sick. We got a Spider-Man seat over here. Leather all around the car. Carbon fiber console. But check out the doors, man, on the Lamborghini doors. This is one heck of a lineup, man, in Houston, Texas. Never disappoints to come to these car shows. Never disappoints. Of course, we have the F430 next to it as well. The Dodge Fiber. This is crazy. Wow, check out the massive V10 engine on this thing. Wow. Can we take a peek on the interior? Oh well, why not? Oh my God. Carbon fiber wing as well. You know what it is, black and yellow, just like Wiz Khalifa said, black and yellow. And right next to this we have the GT3 RS. Oh my God, my ultimate dream car. Check how thick she is. She is super thick. It says Porsche right here, GT3 RS. The massive wing on this thing is amazing, and they got the gray with the red wheels. What is going on, man? That's crazy. A lot of venting around here. I cannot wait for this thing to start up or drive out. This is my ultimate dream car, man. Of course, gonna take a sneak peek on the interior. We got a lot of yellow stitching with the yellow seat belt as well. I don't even know if I'm allowed to do this, but there's only one cup holders here, and of course the other one is hidden somewhere. You cannot drink coffee while you drive a Porsche. You got carbon fiber everywhere, carbon fiber hood, a lot of venting on this car. This is crazy. Man, the setup on this thing is insane. If I open up my phone, I promise you, you're gonna see this car right here. I promise you're gonna see this car on my phone wallpaper. It is one of my dream cars. Of course, we got the hybrid Corvette, but right next to it is a Lamborghini SV in this awesome green color. What? A really nice M2 as well is pulling out right now. It's beautiful blue color. Woo. I don't know where to look and I don't know how to react. This is awesome, man. You have to have an Aventador. You like the car? It even has a kid literally just standing right next to it and stunned. Oh man, check out the massive venting on this thing, carbon fiber of course, and then the interior of the Lamborghini never disappoints, always looks super sick with the crazy designs of the interior. One of my favorite things is this button right here. And I cannot wait for the driver to go ahead and hit it. You got the carbon fiber venting over here, SV. Oh my goodness, this is insane. You got the massive wing in the back as well, the diffuser. I bet that V12 sounds insane, and I'm not gonna leave here until I hear every single one of these cars. Speaking of crazy cars, I think there's a Red Bull vehicle right there. This is one of the coolest gyms. If this is happening every day, I don't mind working out next to my dream car lineup. What is this thing right here? Is this a tank or what? What is this? We got the DJ right here. All right, I have an update of this crazy car show. It just got crazier. Apparently, all of this lineup right here, all of this is owned by one person. The whole car lineup right here, up to the Escalade, is owned by one person. insane, man. The Viper is on too. Bro, we're trying to find this person that owns the whole lineup. It's crazy. It's insane, man. We gotta find him. I gotta ask him a couple of questions for you guys and just see what kind of inspiration that we can take from this guy that was able to buy the whole car lineup from real estate. Man, we gotta meet this person. I gotta talk to him, man. It's crazy. It is insane. Forza GT300. Wow. Hey man, thank you so much, bro.
No problem.
How do you like the car?
Oh, lovely. That one sounds better over there.
Woo! Nah, this is my favorite, bro.
Oh, this is favorite.
Yes, sir. The Lamborghini SV is on, baby! Oh my God. This is the guy right here that owns the whole thing. Oh my God. They say money don't buy you happiness. They lie. Money doesn't buy you happiness. What in the world is going on, man? Woo! Hey guys, stay focused, work hard, and hopefully one day y'all could get where Mr. Cashflow is right now.